Here's problem 3915. A spaceship moves with a speed of 0.95 c away from the Earth. It shoots a Star Wars torpedo toward the Earth at a speed of 0.9 c relative to the ship. What is the velocity of the torpedo relative to the Earth? Direction in which the spaceship moves is the positive direction. All right, so let's take a look at this. Let's imagine here's the Earth. I guess we should have drawn it in blue. And then we have a spaceship moving away from the Earth. And its speed is in the positive direction. And that relative speed is the relative velocity between the two frames of reference. So we have a relative velocity equal to the speed of the ship, which is 0.95 c, and that's positive in that direction. Now the event that is in question is the torpedo, which the ship has fired back towards the Earth. Relative to the ship, that is a velocity of 0.9 c. So we have to think of this problem as going from a moving frame to the rest frame. The moving frame is with the ship, the rest frame is the Earth. So our event is the torpedo launching, and relative to the spaceship it's going in the opposite direction of positive, so it is moving with a velocity of negative 0.9 c. As far as the spaceship's concerned, we wish to do a Lorentz velocity addition in transformation, by going from the moving frame to the rest frame. So we are going to have that the event in the rest frame of the Earth is going to equal the event as seen in the moving frame plus the relative velocity between the two frames over 1 plus the event times the relative velocity over c squared. Alright, so using our numbers, the event as seen by the Earth is equal to the event as seen by the spaceship, which is a negative 0.9 c, plus the relative velocity of the spaceship with the Earth is 0.95 c, over 1 plus the event as seen by the spaceship, a negative 0.9 c, times the relative velocity of the two frames, 0.95 c over c squared. All these c's here cancel out, and this is equal to 0.05 c over 1 minus 0.9 times 0.95. So that is equal to 0.05 c divided by 0.145, and that is equal to 0.345 c. 0.345 c. So it's positive, which means that even though the spacecraft shot this torpedo towards the Earth, it will never make it to Earth, because relative to the Earth it is moving in a positive x direction. It is still moving away from the Earth. You can think of this, the relative velocity between the two frames is 0.95 c. You shoot a torpedo that is less than that velocity, it's going to continue in a net velocity in the positive x direction. Now, since everything is relativistic, we have to use this formula to figure out what that speed is, and it is 0.345 c.